There's a mini blue jay up there. Look, it's so mini. It's so, oh, shoot. It's a little mini one, and it's been so patient when I was getting my phone out. Hi, little mini one. It's already doing the thing like I caught it over there doing. And it was building a nest on the branch or whatever. Look at it, look at it. That's a baby one. Hello, baby blue jay. I love how they're gray underneath. And then they got the blue on top. They're so beautiful. And the way their head is shaped is the cutest thing. Huh, baby blue jay? Are you nesting? Yeah? Nesting for baby blue? Okay. Wow. Oh, look at you. Getting things ready? Little by little. Little here, little there. So cute. Cute little blue jay. You're so amazing, blue jay. I love your head. So cute. Cap, cap, cap. Cap, cap, cap. Cap, cap, cap. How pretty, how pop? How pretty, how? I love the blue jays. They're so pretty. Bye.